How to correctly use Stremio on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to correctly use Stremio on iPhone. So first thing first, just head over to your App Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded the application that is VLC Media Player. So which you will be requiring to stream the streaming applications that is from the Stremio for any videos. So if you haven't updated the application, you can do so by simply coming over to your App Store as well. So let me just quickly do that. Make sure you have successfully installed and open the application. So once you successfully make sure of the installation of your VLC media player, now next thing what you want to do is just head over to your Safari browser and simply search in for stremio.com. And once you land on the first page over here, just tap on this first link over here and simply click on this share button over here and just scroll all the way down until you see the option that is add to home screen. So simply select it and just click on add at the top right corner. Now your Stremio should be successfully added to your home screen. So as you can see, my Stremio has appeared over here. So just make sure that you actually remember it because it might or may not show with the logo. So just open this and make sure you have successfully logged into your account if you haven't already. So once you successfully log into your account, you can basically choose the and once you successfully log into your account, just head over to your settings option in the top right corner, and from the settings scroll down to the advanced settings and find the option that says plays in external streaming and just select the VLC media player from over there. And after that, you can easily use the Stremio on iPhone via VLC media player to stream any movies or sites that you like. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.